Time for another Vet Minute with Dr. Marty Greer, Revival's Director of Veterinary Services. Dr. Greer, the question is, what can I do to help a pregnant feral cat?
Yeah, this is a tough one because these feral cats, they're kind of sneaky little gals. And they'll have sometimes 3, maybe even 4 litters a year. So once you start this, you're going to be busy. So the most important thing is to make sure that she's got adequate nutrition. A lot of feral cats don't have great sources of food, and catching little mice, not enough to feed the babies. So feed her well. Now, of course, remember, once you start to feed her, she's your cat. You can tell me all day long that she's not yours, she belongs to somebody else, or she's the neighbor's cat. But if you're feeding her, she's yours. So feed her well. Kitten food would be the most appropriate. Adult cat food is not as nutritionally complete as kitten food. So give her kitten food. Make sure she's got access to water, particularly when it's either really hot and it's hard to find water, or when it's really cold and it tends to be frozen. Even though cats don't drink a lot during pregnancy, their blood volume expands quite a bit. So they do need to drink additional water, and they really need to drink a lot once they start to have the kittens and lactate. You want to provide her with a nesting box, preferably with some kind of a heat source if it's in the winter time in particular. There's a lot of good products on the market that have outside type of weather resistant heating units that have a coil wrapped around the cord so that it keeps the cord safe from being chewed through or damaged. So provide her a kitten box. There's some companies that make poultry and dog and cat kind of heating units. They can have heated water sources. They can have heated boards that you can put into a box or into some kind of an area that the cat can be provided with a quiet area. And it should be someplace that's safe, that it's unlikely that predators will come along and snatch one of her kittens. So try to make her feel as safe as you can. Try to give her as much food and water as possible. And remember, she's yours.
Hi, if you're watching on YouTube, consider subscribing to the Revival Animal Health YouTube channel. If you have a pet health question, call our pet care pros at this number. And don't miss our other pet health videos.